किसके मोबाइल से?
मेरे ही।
वो कहाँ चले गए?
ऊपर गए। वीडियो में मत क्या करो, एडिटिंग करने में आवाज हो।
क्या?
लाइट बहुत।
स्टेबल कर देगा ना भैया?
नहीं होता यार वो धीमा। जी देखो
के साथ हम आज के वार्षिक समारोह की भव्य शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। जिसे देखो उसमें छुपा है रंगीन सफर।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. 2025. Tonight, we gather here to celebrate talent, creativity, and achievements. We have an exciting lineup of magical performances and inspiring moments just for you. So sit back, enjoy, and let the celebration begin. Get ready for a fantastic journey filled with dreams, dance, music, and obviously loads of fun along the way.
आरोग्यं धन संपदा शत्रु बुद्धि विनाशाय दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते दीप ज्योति परम ब्रह्म दीप ज्योति जनार्दनः दीपो हर्तुं पापं दीप ज्योति नमोस्तुते.
With this holy mantra, let us begin the evening by lighting the lamp before Goddess Saraswati to bestow all of us knowledge, talent, and wisdom. So, I would like to call upon our Honorable Chief Guest, respected Chairman Sir, Director Ma'am, and Principal Sir to please light the lamp.
Respected guests for illuminating this lamp.
With this light, we officially begin with our annual
सजा हर कोना, हर एक छोर। हम सभी का सौभाग्य है आपका यहाँ आना। हम सभी का सौभाग्य है यहाँ आपका आना। स्वागत है आपका अतिथि बारंबार बारंबार। आज के इस वार्षिक उत्सव में विद्यालय प्रांगण में पधारे हुए प्रतिष्ठित अतिथि श्री अशोक जमनानी जी का ग्रीन पॉइंट परिवार की तरफ से मैं हृदय से पुनः अभिनंदन और वंदन करती हूँ। नहीं है, आज मैं यहाँ एक ऐसे व्यक्तित्व का परिचय देने जा रही हूँ जिसकी प्रशंसा में शब्द कम पड़ जाएंगे। आप श्रीमान अशोक जमनानी जी हिंदी भाषा एवं कथाकार हैं। आपका जन्म प्रयागराज में हुआ, लेकिन बचपन में आप अपने परिवार के लेखन में प्रेरित होकर कविता लिखना आरंभ किया। आगे चलकर आप देश के प्रतिष्ठित कवि और कथाकार के रूप में हिंदी साहित्य में प्रसिद्ध हुए। प्रसिद्ध कवि के लिए अनेकों उपलब्धियां आपने प्राप्त की। आपकी कृतियां भारत में सबसे अधिक पढ़ी जाती हैं और पढ़ी भी जाएंगी। आपका पहला उपन्यास को हम अब तक 12 संस्करणों में प्रकाशित हो चुका है। इसी श्रृंखला में आपकी उपलब्धियां कुछ इस प्रकार हैं। आपको महादेवी वर्मा राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार, साहित्य अकादमी मध्य प्रदेश, वीर सिंह जूदेव राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार, साहित्य अकादमी मध्य प्रदेश दुष्यंत कुमार पुरस्कार, यहाँ तक कि आपकी किताब को हम पर बनी फिल्म हु UMI को कई अंतर्राष्ट्रीय फिल्म समारोह में पुरस्कृत किया गया। बात यही नहीं रुकी, पूरी मध्य प्रदेश द्वारा दिया गया। आपने पर्यावरण एवं वन मंत्रालय भारत सरकार द्वारा पुरस्कार पाकर मध्य प्रदेश के गौरव को बढ़ाया। माधव ज्योति राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार से भी आप सम्मानित हुए। केंद्रीय साहित्य अकादमी द्वारा लेखन यात्रा अनुदान के लिए भी आप पुरस्कृत किए गए। पुरस्कारों की लड़ी लग गई, पुरस्कारों की झड़ी लग गई। फिल्म लेखन के लिए सर्वश्रेष्ठ कहानी पुरस्कार, राजभाषा के लिए वांग्य अलंकरण पुरस्कार, साहित्य एवं सामाजिक सेवा से जुड़ी अकादमी सदस्य के लिए भी आप पुरस्कृत हुए। मध्य प्रदेश साहित्य अकादमी द्वारा पाठक मंच हेतु आपको चयनित 4 पुस्तकें प्रचलित हुई। NCPSL मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्रालय द्वारा चयनित पुस्तकें भी आपकी कम नहीं थी। आपकी उपलब्धियों को बताते हुए मेरा ग्रीन पॉइंट परिवार गदगद हो गया। इस अभिभूत अनुभव के लिए मैं कृतज्ञ हूँ। आपकी उपलब्धियाँ यहाँ उपस्थित जन समूह को अवश्य प्रेरित करेंगी। अंत में मैं यहाँ उपस्थित सभी अतिथियों का भी स्वागत करती हूँ कि आप आकर विद्यालय की गरिमा को बढ़ाकर बहुमूल्य समय देकर हमें धन्य किया। अब मैं अपने वाणी को विराम देती हूँ। धन्यवाद। शुभ संध्या।
I would like to call upon the director of our school to please come onto the stage and deliver the welcome speech.
Chief guest Mr. Jamnani ji, Director sir, all the dignitaries present, parents, students, teachers and all the staff members. A very warm welcome to you to the Green Point Montessori School Annual Day. The journey of Green Point has many firsts in it. It was the first kindergarten of the city back in 1995 when it was started by Mr. and Mrs. Banerjee. It was then handed over to Mr. Ritesh Sharma, son of Mr. Kailash Sharma, in 2013. It is the first and only school that applies a purely Montessori approach in the schooling of young children. It was the first school to start teaching English with phonics, the first school to use the augmented reality in classrooms. From a campus of 2 rooms in 2013, we have now moved to this sprawling campus of 4 acres in 2024. We understand that each child is unique and they have some special talents, interests, and a special path that they need to find in life. Hence, we understand that we have to guide the child on his or her own unique journey and provide the best support when and where needed. Keeping this in mind, we commit to excellence in every aspect of schooling. The 3 main parts of this are academics, sports, and co-curricular activities. And we provide the best of each to our students. Good academics need dedicated and hardworking teachers, and we can proudly say that we have the best of the best. A step forward in that direction is the appointment of Mr. Wati Zamir as the principal of our school in June 2025. He has a master's in zoology and a doctorate in literature and close to 30 years of teaching experience. Sir, we are blessed to have you with us, guiding our teachers and students with your knowledge and your dedication towards this noble profession. Along with Sir, we are grateful to have 5 more teachers from his family, all having extensive teaching experience and unmatched dedication. We are committed to provide a well-structured and cutting-edge curriculum for our child's development. Our various clubs and co-curricular facilities strive towards finding the hidden gems amongst our students and polish their skills and nurture their interests. It is now time to spread our wings and soar high in the coming year. We aim to provide national and international platforms to our children to hone their skills and provide them with motivation and exposure to develop their mind and shape their personalities. The vision of the school resonates with yours, which is to provide them with skills and ability to build a happy, enriching, and prosperous life. I thank you all for your presence and time, and I hope you will enjoy this evening and you will appreciate the hard work put in by our staff and our students alike. Thank you so much.
Full of excitement, performances, and unlimited talent. And trust me, by the end of the show, you will be clapping more than your smartwatch can count.
Absolutely. और अब वक्त है शाम की एक सुंदर आवाज का। किसी भी कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत अगर म्यूजिकल हो तो कार्यक्रम में चार चांदनी अपना आशीष बिखेर देती है।
Yes, and after all, music has a magical power.
टाइटन योर सीट बेल्ट, क्योंकि अब आने वाले हैं हमारे ग्रीन पॉइंट विद्यालय के छोटे छोटे सितारे अपने गीत को प्रस्तुत करने के लिए।
Presenting the most melodious, the most colorful, the most cheerful beginning of the evening,
The welcome song.
Let's welcome them with a big round of applause.
हुनर की एक आज इस मंच की शोभा बढ़ाने इस समारोह की जान है आप। तो एक बार फिर से हमारे प्यारे ऑडियंस यानी आप लोगों के लिए जोरदार तालियां।
गाए हम
Chairman Sir, Director Ma'am, Principal Sir, and all my dear parents and students. Every achievement deserves applause and recognition. Let us begin the award presentation and celebrate excellence together. First, presentation of academic toppers, session 2024-25. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. This moment is to honor those bright minds who have shown exceptional dedication, consistency, and excellence in academics during the session 2024-25. May I request our respected dignitaries, Chairman, Honorable Chief Guest Sir, Chairman Sir, Director Ma'am, and Principal Sir, and all the other guests to please come forward as we present the Academic Toppers Awards. KG1, first rank goes to her. From KG1, first rank goes to Harsh Jain, second rank Khwahish Markar. First rank goes to Harsh Jain, second rank goes to Khwahish Markar. From KG2, first rank goes to Yash Raikwad, second rank goes to Shamli Premkar. From grade 1, first rank goes to Aranya Jaiswal. Aranya Jaiswal. Second rank goes to Ved Goswami. Grade 2, first rank goes to Aviral Malonia. Second rank goes to Amey Shukla. Grade 3, first rank goes to Vanya Mittal. Second rank goes to Amara Goti. Grade 4, first rank goes to Charul Sahu. Second rank goes to Divyansh Mehra. Grade 5, first rank goes to Anay Agrawal. Second rank goes to Grade 6, first rank goes to Kritika Jain. Second rank goes to Dakshita Goti. Grade 7, first rank goes to Tuti Manoj. Second rank goes to Sharanya Verma. Grade 8, first rank goes to Karthik Jain. Second rank goes to Asta Agrawal. I would like to invite their parents on stage to kindly come and collect the awards. Please come and give us the honor. Thank you, sir. Student of the Year session 2000, not a single act, but a habit. The Student of the Year is one who has excelled not only academically but also in discipline, leadership, values from the pre-primary section. Boy, Shaurya Chore. Section, boy, Shaurya Chore. Student of the Year, girl, Ishi Sharma. Ishi Sharma. From primary section, Student of the Year, girl, Siddhi Dubey. Siddhi Dubey. Student of the Year, boy, Ved Goswami. Now next award is 100% attendance award. Success comes to the top every single day. We now recognize the student who has displayed remarkable sincerity, punctuality by maintaining 100% attendance throughout the academic year 2024-25. Let us give a loud cheer as we present the 100% attendance award goes to Athar Dubey. Guidance and constant support, the parent. We now take this proud moment to acknowledge the parent who has been an inspiration through active involvement, encouragement and cooperation with the school. Let us applaud as we present the Parent of the Year Award. Pre-primary section, Atmika Mishra. I would like to call them on the stage. Young champions who have showcased exceptional talent and dedication in roller skating. A big round of applause as we invite Nitiv Goti and Avyog Soni to come forward and receive their well-deserved awards. Nitiv Goti and Avyog Soni for their wonderful performance in roller skating. Words have the power to inspire, influence and strive to announce that our student has brought laurels to the school by securing first position in inter-school debate competition. Let us applaud the confidence, clarity and courage of our student Apungla Jamil as we invite her on stage to receive the award for inter-school debate competition for last but not the least, let us get the best class award goes to grade 9. I would like to invite Zulu sir and all the students of grade 9 on the stage. All the students of class 9 with their class teacher. Give them a big round of applause. The best class award goes to grade 9. With hearts full of pride and joy, we now move ahead to the next segment of our annual function. Please stay tuned and enjoy the...
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to enter a world of cuteness, colors and unlimited smiles. Zubi dubi dubi tappa, zubi dubi parampa. और हमारे भाई बहन आज इसी गाने पर नाचकर सबके दिल जीतने वाले हैं. Please welcome our adorable, charming, energetic Zubi dubi dancer. Enjoy the performance.
शखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भगवे गा रहे,
दीवारें किरने गा रहे हैं, ये पंछी गा रहे
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हुआ
इसी उद्देश्य को पूरा करने के लिए आज हमारे विद्यालय के छोटे छोटे छात्र छात्राएं मंच पे धमाल मचाने के लिए आ रहे हैं. Give them a big round of applause.
कद से इरादे तो ये फलक मगरूर
लगन और धैर्य, आपकी कड़ी मेहनत, लगन और धैर्य ने ही इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में कहीं न कहीं योगदान दिया है। आपकी मेहनत से ही हम आज यह प्रोग्राम बहुत ही सुचारू रूप से कर पा रहे हैं। अब आप बोलेंगे कि मेहनत कैसा? सुबह आपको उठकर बच्चों को तैयार करना, समय से उनको टिफ़िन बना कर देना, उनके नखरे सहना, यह सब आपकी मेहनत का तो फल है। इसलिए मैं कहती हूँ ना कि परिवार प्रथम पाठशाला है। यदि आप परिवार में अच्छे बच्चों को बातें सिखाएंगे तो विद्यालय में आकर ज़रूर उसको टीचर की बातों को मानकर सुनना ही होगा। अब मैं शिक्षकों के लिए भी कुछ कह देती हूँ। शिक्षकों का पसीना, बच्चों की मुस्कान, शिक्षकों का पसीना, बच्चों की सच्ची पहचान, यही है हमारे ग्रीन पॉइंट परिवार की सच्ची पहचान। अंगद के समान अडिग रहकर चलती अविरल ध्येय यात्रा, और वो कभी नहीं रुकती, कभी नहीं रुकती। किताबों से आगे बढ़कर हमने बहुत सपने देखे हैं। शिक्षकों के मार्गदर्शन से ही और आप लोगों के सहयोग से ही दिन प्रतिदिन ग्रीन पॉइंट परिवार आगे बढ़ेगा, बढ़ता ही रहेगा, बढ़ता ही रहेगा। लॉन्ग लिव ग्रीन पॉइंट। समूह गान के रूप में शास्त्रीय संगीत की इस विधा त्रिवट गायन शैली पर आधारित है। आप इनका आनंद लीजिए।
सा
Dr. Vati Jamil sir to kindly come on the stage and present the annual report 2025-26.
Good things are not done by impulse, but by a series of things. And truly, it is said that success is the sum of small efforts repeated day in and day out. There are always wonderful occasions that provide us with the opportunity as a community to gather together and focus on our many achievements and successes throughout the year. To that very purpose, I take great pleasure and welcome once again the Honorable Chief Guest, distinguished guests, loving parents and teachers, my dearest students, and all our well-wishers on this special occasion of our school annual day celebration. And now, I, Dr. Vati Jamil, I'm here with my team to present the annual report 2025-26 of Greenpoint Montessori and School, Itarsi. First of all, I would like to thank God Almighty for all the blessings showered upon us, and I dedicate my report to the enormous and marvelous journey undertaken by Greenpoint. Having all the standard requirements, we are now affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education, and our first batch of class 9 will be writing board exams from this very season. This is indeed momentous. On behalf of our school, I offer heartfelt salutations to our Director Radish Sharma sir and Director Ma'am Namita ma'am for their great commitment, sacrifices, endurance, and tremendous work being done in bringing up Greenpoint Montessori and School to what it stands today. Thank you, ma'am and sir, from all of us. I extend my salutation to the tremendous work being done by our colleagues in both the campuses. Words are not enough to describe the fantastic work being done every day. During this academic session, our school had the privilege to hold 2 different training sessions for teachers, not only for our school teachers, but enabling teachers from other schools also in collaboration with the CPSC Center of Excellence, Pobal region. Our teachers, Srimati Pavana ma'am and Srimati Harvinder Kaur ma'am, have been awarded excellence in teaching by the Municipal Council Itarsi. Just recently, Srimati Harvinder Kaur ma'am was also awarded the Best Teacher Award by Indian Talent Olympiad. Throughout 2025, in various public forums, we repeatedly measured our students in terms of their individuals and collective successes in intellectual, that is academic, physical, that is sporting, cultural, that is creative, and civic, that is citizenship domains. And every time they have made us proud by their stupendous success. Next session, we have so far conducted over 100 co-curricular activity events in various categories in kindergarten sections alone, and about 90 events in various categories in primary and middle sections. This includes CCA competitions, non-competitive events, and various celebrations. Our Children's Day celebration, our school organized a day-long Greenpoint Fun Utsav. During this event, both young and old, students and parents participated to showcase various talents in all possible ways. Indeed, it was one of Itarsi's biggest Children's Day celebration, truly a memorable and a glorious one. Besides conducting different in-house events, our students participated in many outside career-related programs, fairs, and competitions, and brought honor and glory to our school. Our students won gold, silver, and bronze medals in various games and sports events in district and sports levels. Recently, we have been presented the Golden School Award by Indian Talent Olympiad at state level. Ours is the only school in Naramadapuram district to have a Rotaract Interact Club with 15 active students as members, having Midisha Cha as president, Abungla Jamir as secretary, and Vaso Jikwari as the treasurer. On 12th November, a 5-member International Fellowship of Motorcycling Rotarian Team India, led by Rotarian Shrikant, visited our school. They were on a mission, peace through environment and health. Our school Interact Club students were privileged to welcome them and had a short yet memorable interaction with them. Through the initiative of Spike McKay, on 24th November, a national award winner and popular Kathak dancer, Abhishekta Mukherjee, was present in our school. Our students learned a world of experiences about classical dancing from her and were impressed through her beautiful performances. Our school's social media accounts have been regularly updated with various CCA programs and other events and necessary information. We request you to encourage our students and their activities in these social media platforms. We believe that we could do a wonderful job and that our esteemed parents and students have expressed their satisfaction regarding the academic as well as co-curricular activities offered at Greenpoint Montessori and School. Our own school My Class Board app, it is a model committed to equip learners with all learning modules happening in the school on a regular basis. Also, along with the latest and most innovative CBSE curriculum, we have been implementing South Asia's most innovative curriculum in primary sections in collaboration with Chrysalis. It is a complete learning module of life skills, values, and attitudes. On this memorable occasion of our school annual day, as we recount our achievements and success with pride and happiness, I would like to dedicate whatever we could achieve to our beloved students, committed team of teachers, support staff, and valued parents of Greenpoint Montessori and School. I thank our management for their wholehearted encouragement and continued support. A special thanks for their initiative for expansions of the campus with more infrastructure facilities, both academic and non-academic. We seek the blessing from God Almighty to help and guide us in the future in the right direction. God bless Greenpoint Montessori and School. Thank you.